Be a detective with your expenses. It's time for you to become a detective. But I won't ask you to don a Sherlock Holmes hat for this process. Though, being a detective with your expenses is the first step to budgeting success. Tracking your expenses is the foundation of effective budgeting. Being a detective with your expenses means keeping a meticulous record of where your money goes. It's not just about tracking big expenses, it's the little things that often add up. And it's often the forgotten or minor purchases and expenses that slip right by us. Keep an eagle eye on those daily coffee runs, impulse purchases, and subscription services you might have forgotten about. By understanding your spending patterns, you'll be better equipped to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Use budgeting apps like Mint or a prepaid MasterCard app like Coho, which has superb expense tracking built right into it, to keep track of all your expenses. Or simply create a spreadsheet to record all your expenses. Categorize all of those items into essentials, such as rent or mortgage, utilities and groceries, discretionary spending, for example, entertainment or dining out, and miscellaneous, unexpected and small expenses, like those coffee runs. This detective work will provide valuable insights into your spending habits and help you make more informed financial decisions. It might be a bit eye-opening at first, but trust me, knowing where your money goes is the key to taking charge of your finances and feeling more comfortable wearing that Sherlock Holmes hat. If you found our video helpful, please be kind enough to hit like and share so you can spread the word about debt detox advisors and the work we do. Thanks.